Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is the world famous MegaMaxx Blue Roll dispenser. So I'm going to quickly show you now an unboxing video and how to assemble it. So this is how you receive your parcel. So as you can see, fabulous package, all designed and manufactured here. So we're just going to quickly cut the plastic and you can split open that. So there's one side panel. Here's the opposite side panel. Here's the tube. Open this flap. There's the base. And there's your screws. So what we're going to do, you open the screws. Take this side panel. We're simply going to screw that on there. You can use a manual screwdriver, but sometimes it's quicker to use a power drill, and that's what I'm going to do. So you can start them by hand. So very easy to start, get going, and then quickly screw them in. You do the same again with the other side. There you have it. Take the tube, place it in there. You've got a handy top shelf. Once you screw it to the wall, you're going to have a secure edge so you can put things on and they won't fall off. I'm going to screw it on the wall quickly now and I'll show you afterwards. But remember, made in England. It's a very high quality product, and that we're proud that it's made in England. Okay, so you put the blue roll on the tube, slot in one side, lift it up and put the other one goes on. And there you go. Fantastic. Any questions, let us know. You can see our full range on our website.